Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my garage again. I was trying to upload the other video on my mom's phone, but the video on my mom's phone that I tried recording, our Craftsman garage door opener, kept taking forever to upload. We're back in my garage again, showing you my, my Craftsman 3/4 horsepower belt drive, model 139.57915, manufactured of August 10th, 2018. I know I put a unique light bulb that kind of looks like a candle. It's actually like a fake candle. I know it's kind of unique to put it on the garage door opener, but pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna start closing the garage door, but we're not gonna be using the keypad this time, but just the wall button and the remote. Let's close the garage door, and here we go. Okay, now let's open the garage door again. Okay, I'm gonna grab the remote out of the Toyota Camry. There's the remote. And I'm gonna do the outside viewing, but not with the keypad this time. Okay, now let's close the garage door again, and here we go. I already opened the garage door the first time when I was video recording the our 2005 Toyota Camry that you see in our garage. Okay, now let's run the garage door opener one more time with the remote, and then we'll close it from the spot where I want it to be, and we'll open the garage door one more time, and then we'll close it again, and then that will be enough. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna close the garage door one more time. That's our Toyota Camry that was in our garage. Okay, now let's close the garage door one more time, and then that will be it. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.